Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. My name is Joe Chavez. Today we have a 2007 Haas VF-1. A couple key features, 10,000 RPM, 1,000 inch per minute. Has the upgraded Haas control. We are going to run the machine for you. So you hear the axis runs. We're going to run up the spindle all the way to 10,000 RPM. If I miss anything, please feel free to give me a call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. There you have it, guys. That was this 2007 Haas VF-1. If you want to see anything else, more videos, photos, anything of that nature, please don't hesitate to call 909-919-9600. For more specs and features on this machine, please visit us at the website www.machinestation.us. Guys, enjoy the video. You like this machine, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. And as usual, guys, thank you for watching.